Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll guide you through the new features in WhatsApp. WhatsApp new features. Every year or every time, WhatsApp keep updating or upgrading their system and bringing in new features. So today I'll guide you through the new features WhatsApp has done or WhatsApp has brought. So if you're new to the channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Watch the video to end so that you not miss any step. Let's start. You launch your WhatsApp like this. The moment you launch your WhatsApp like this, you then move to the three lines dot. You see that there's a three lines dot top there. You click. You go to settings. Under settings, you then move. Please watch the videos to end. Our motive is to know the features WhatsApp has brought or the new features in WhatsApp. So when you come to settings and you come here, you go to chat. You see chat. You have account privacy, avatar list, chat. You click on the chat. And that under chat you see this one. But one thing is, if you have not updated your WhatsApp, kindly updated your WhatsApp so that you get all the features. If you're not updated your WhatsApp, kindly updated your WhatsApp. So under chat, you will see all these features. You see voice message transcript. In some phone, you will see chat message transcript. Some phone too is voice message transcript. So you on it like this. You on it and choose the language you prefer. Then start. So here you then move back. Let me show you something here. It means good. When you come here, let me show you something here. So it's when someone says something here. So like this, you press along it. You see the central lines dot that you click. You see transcript. You click transcript. The moment I'm facing network challenge here, the moment you click on transcript, you see it's setting up transcript. So I have network challenge at my end. The moment you do that, the voice note that has come, it will write what the voice is about. If the person say, today I will meet you at the beach at 2 p.m., the transcript will write it in a words form that today I'll meet you at the beach at 2 p.m. So this features on WhatsApp. It translates the voice into a words. And another one is, you see there's a plus sign here. On top here, you see on read, favorite, and group. So you see there's a plus sign here. You click that plus sign. You can add your own to it. So, let me say family, or let me say friends. And you click add to group. So here you have friends that you want. You can add them to the group. You add them to the group. So friends you want, you add them to group. You add them. You see friends. So anytime you want to chat to the friend, you don't need to go to your contact list. You then move to the friends. This is the friends here. So just type them and you chat with them. So a group here. So anytime I want to go to the group, I don't have time to go to this. You have to come to the group. This is the group that I'll choose the group that I want. So this is a new features that has been come to WhatsApp. So like what I said, you can group your family members here. You have brother, father, whatever. So anytime you want to chat, you don't need to go through all the WhatsApp list before you can get your father contact. You then create family. You put all of them here. You click. Anytime you want to chat to your father, you go to the family. You click on the family. Your father name or contact will come. You click on your father. You chat with the father. So this my friend here. If I want to chat with my friend, I'll then move to friends. All my friends are here. I'll then chat with the person I want to chat. So this is a new features WhatsApp has brought. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.